Okay, so we're going to make some mustard mayonnaise. So just take some Japanese, or in this case Korean actually, mayonnaise, squirt that in here. Like that. And then we just got some Dijon mustard here. So we're going to add in, I don't know, one or probably about two of these. There we go. Into there. And a little bit of pepper. Pinch of salt. And a little bit of lime juice in there. Put the lid on. Give it a good shake. And that should be perfect.